Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to remove background and recreate scenes with your YouCam AI app. Whether you want to change your photos background or place yourself in a dream location, YouCam AI makes it effortless, and here's how. First of all, go to the App Store and install YouCam AI Pro by Perfect Crop. Open the app, sign in and tap the AI tools, and then go to background remover. After that, what you're gonna do is pick a clear photo where the subject, you or an object stands out. AI will automatically detect and cut the background in seconds. And after that, use the eraser tool or restore tools to clean the edges. This helps if the background remover missed any tiny details like hair, or shadows. Tap AI backgrounds to recreate your scene, and then choose AI backgrounds or AI scene creators like sunny beach with palm trees, futuristic city skyline at night, luxury office with warm lighting. YouCam AI will instantly place your subject into a brand new realistic scene. Step 5, try preset AI style. Scroll through trending AI backgrounds to find ready-made templates such as dreamy aesthetic backdrops, studio lighting effects, and then professional portrait scenes. Tap save, download to photos, share directly to Instagram, Threads or TikTok. Get extra free credits. YouCam gives you credits daily to share. YouCam gives you free credits daily. To earn more, tap daily rewards, watch ad for bonus users. Safety tip: avoid using copyrighted backgrounds or photos with other people. Keep it personal and original. Quick fix: if the AI background looks odd, use a full body or half body photo with clear lighting. Rephrase your prompt, example bright outdoor sunset instead of evening sky. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fix.